Hello friends, today's topic financial planning in 30s. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Usually people start earning at the age of 23 or so. For the first few years, they are happy to spend money on various new gadgets such as mobile, two-wheelers, etc. because they would have got freedom to spend since it is their income. As their age comes close to 30, they start realizing that they need to save more money since they might have started a family and they have dependents. So the 30s is very crucial age when people should start doing financial planning and with lot of discipline. Since around 35% of our YouTube channel members are in the age group of 30 to 40 years, we made this video for you to think and take serious action. Age 30 to 40 is crucial since if you invest well, your future will be comfortable. Otherwise, it could become difficult later since there will be less years for compounding if investments are delayed. Following are the events that need to be planned as early as possible in the 30s. Number one, retirement. Many people feel that 30s is too early to think and plan for retirement. However, the earlier you plan for retirement, the easier it will be for you. Retirement planning has to start side by side with investment for children's future, own house, etc. Large number of people postpone retirement planning until it is too late and then they realize that they need to invest a large amount even to create 50 lakhs to 1 crore as retirement corpus. Number two, children education and marriage. Our surveys of large number of people has shown that investors focus on investing for children's future since it is one of the first main events in their life. When parents are in their 30s, they start investing for children education. In the current age, education itself is very expensive. Investing for children marriage requires additional money. They somehow manage to save for children education and marriage, end up with very limited money for other things like retirement, house purchase, etc. This is one of the main problems in financial planning in India. Number three, house purchase and construction. It is in this phase of life that people need to also think of planning finance for future house purchase. Still, it will need a lot of money as down payment and involve paying EMIs for 10 to 20 years. Unfortunately, since real estate has become so expensive, it forces people to borrow huge amounts early in life. So apart from retirement, the second major financial commitment will be the house. Most people spend more than half of their working life in paying home loan EMIs and end up with little or no money for savings for retirement. So you may have realized that there is a big dilemma on how to plan for all these three events. This is where your income earning skills will also matter. If your income is good, then you can simultaneously invest a good amount of money for all three events. Otherwise, either house purchase or retirement will be sacrificed and only children's future will get prioritized. If you are in your 20s, start thinking about your future and take some initial steps to invest in stock markets and other instruments. Don't wait for your 30s. If you are in your 30s already, you need to make sure there is no delay in investing. A minimum of 20% of your income must be saved for your future. If you are already in 40s and 50s and you have not still planned your investments properly, you need to take action immediately. Watch our videos on YouTube and how much is required to be invested at different ages for different and various requirements. Also, everybody should learn fundamental analysis so that they can select and monitor the right stocks for long term. This is a skill which has to be developed if you want to be financially successful in life. So, in order to have a balance for investing for retirement, children's future, own house, we need to be able to do financial planning as early as possible. The later we start, more difficult it becomes and less likely that we'll be able to achieve them as per your wishes. At the end of the video, here is a question. Do you think that investing for retirement, children's future and own house is becoming difficult year by year due to rising costs? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.